Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Coulter, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about something that I've never ever talked about on my channel before, and that is your period. No, it's not a laughing matter, but it is uncomfortable for people to talk about their periods or menstruation, especially to the world. I have an exciting product that was sent to me by this company. It is called Hi-O. It is a product that you can find on Amazon, so I will leave all of the information down below. What are these, you may ask? These are a set of reusable menstrual pads. You get this cool pouch right here, very discreet. You can stick it in your purse. Nobody knows what it is. You can take it when you're traveling, through the checkpoint at TSA, and then inside is where I hold all of the pads. They fold up nicely. Every single one fits in here. You open it up and here are the reusable pads. This set comes with 6, which is really nice. These are medium flow pads. So you can wear this on lighter days, and you can also wear this on heavier days and just change them out a little bit more often than you would. This is made with a charcoal bamboo fabric, and it also has leak-proof technology. You can also use these for bladder support or incontinence. And so here is a single pad. On the back, you have snaps, 2 of them, so it depends on how tight you want this to wrap around your undies. So you just place the product right over your panties, your underwear, right in the middle, and then you snap it. Depending on how snug you want it, you can put it on the first one or on the second one, and then it just lays really nicely in your undies, just like this. Okay, so here is the actual listing on Amazon. This is the exact product that was sent to me. They give you all this information here. And then, now one thing that I was worried about was how well these would stay in place, since it is just a little clasp right here around your undies. And what I found is wearing something a little bit more fitted, more snug. So leggings. I mean, who doesn't live in leggings all day, especially when we're on quarantine? And I just put these on with leggings and didn't have to worry about them shifting, moving back, moving forward. And it stayed in place all day long, well, as long as I had them on. And it was very comfortable. I wasn't sure how comfortable it would be because of just it being a pad, but if you're going to be wearing a pad anyways, might as well wear something that is made of fabric and is soft. And this side too here is kind of like a satin feel, so very comfortable. If you would rather wear maxi dresses, then you can definitely wear these with your undies and just wear some like shorts underneath, which is what I do anyways when I'm on my period and I wear a dress, and that way they stay snug. I've also worn these throughout the night. They didn't move, they didn't leak. So when you need to change it out, it's super easy. You just unbutton it from your undies, and then you fold it over here and then there. And now the clasps that you used to button it around your undies, you're actually going to button it around itself. So you take this side right here, bottom side, and then you take the top side and snap it together just like that. And it is super compact, not going to open up anywhere. Everything is inside that you now need to throw in the wash. If you are out in public, bring your little bag, put it in there, zip it away. And now you can use this bag for your used menstrual pads when you are out in public or traveling. And that way you can make sure to take this to the washroom or your laundry room and then take it out to put it into the laundry. Unbutton it, throw it into the wash, and it washed out so nicely. Nothing left, nothing stained, nothing on my clothes at all, and it was very convenient. And personally, 6 pads were plenty for me. If you find that you need more than 6, just make sure that you are washing a number of them to be ready for the next day when you need them. So there are a number of benefits to this product. You will save money. Number 1, you will save money because you have to buy pads for every month when you have your period, and you won't have to do that anymore because you now have reusable pads. These are also great for the environment because you are not throwing used pads away into the trash can. You're reusing them. There is no waste coming from the boxes that you have to receive, the little plastic thing that you have to take off the back to adhere to your undies, and then all of the waste from the products that make the pad in the first place. Another benefit to using these reusable menstrual pads is that you will not be exposing yourself to chemicals and other ingredients that regular menstrual pads have in them, especially if you're sensitive to them. But worse, if you don't know that you're sensitive to them and you're using them time and time again. So once again, you can find this product on Amazon. The link is down below in my description box. Let me know if you have any further questions, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.